In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an AVIF image to a PNG or JPEG image. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and then look up AVIF to PNG. Then we will have multiple different websites over here. I recommend that you guys actually use a website called Cloud Connect. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it just like so, and then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. And from here, you need to go ahead and select on the file you actually want to convert. So basically, it is going to allow you to convert an AVIF file, and it could be any other one of these image files. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a PNG or JPEG. You can go ahead and select on which file is most convenient for you. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your file, or you can go ahead and drag and drop it. The choice is really up to you. You guys can go ahead and configure the settings over here, or you guys could even add more files to actually convert. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on convert once you're done with that. Now, unfortunately, there is a daily limit of 10, so that's a little bit unfortunate, guys, and that's why I wasn't able to actually convert this file, but I did convert 10 other ones previously using this website, guys, so it actually does work. But alternatively, there's also other websites like this one over here. This is the second list. It is called easegif.com. And again, you basically do the same thing. You can go ahead and drag and drop your AVIF file right over here as well. And then you guys can just press on convert to PNG. Then it will convert it for you. And basically all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this option that does say save. And then it will save this image to your desktop. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.